Good day, everyone. Today, I will show you how to redeem your Philequity investment. Let us first check our email. Ayan. Every month yan, nag-send sa atin ng statement of account. So, yan po yung ating password. It's the initial letter of your first name, middle name, and the last name. And also your date of birth. So, in that format, i-follow nyo lang yan. So, once you download the statement of account, i-enter lang natin yung password. And you can now open your statement. Actually, ito yung aking confirmation notice. Ito yung date na nag-start ako ng aking investment sa Philequity. It was December 14, 2018. We can check po sa website para makita yung kanyang performance. Dito po kasi tayo magde-decide whether tama ba po i-redeem natin yung ating investment or hold muna kasi hindi pa siya kumikita. Lalo na nung time na pandemic. Okay? So, dito natin malalaman. So, ito yung fund name ng aking Philequity investment. It's Philequity PSE Index Fund. So, i-search natin dito. So, i-click natin yan. And, ayan, makikita natin yung performance niya. Paangat na talaga siya ngayon. So, nag-down lang talaga siya nung pandemic. And, though naka-invest ako before pandemic, talagang bumaba talaga siya. Pero, nag-hold lang ako sa aking investment knowing na babawi din yung ating economy. Itong ating portfolio na Philequity PSE Index Fund mirrors the performance of our Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So, itong naka-blue sa graph, ito yung ating Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So, ito yung economic performance which represent or composed of the 35 blue chip stocks or blue chip companies sa Philippines. Okay, so ito naman naka-yellow, ito yung ating portfolio or the Philippine PSE Index Fund. Okay, so meron po tayong tutorial about these mutual funds. To know more about that, just visit our YouTube channel. It's all about finance. So this is Financial Literacy Class 3, the basic stock market and mutual funds investment. Okay, so now i-process na natin ang ating pag-redeem ng ating Philequity Fund. So, ito yung mga requirements. Redemption form, settlement account form, any proof of your bank account or bank statement. Dapat makita yung name ng bank, account name mo, at saka yung account number. Valid ID with signature. So, 3 signature po yan. Billing statement showing your address. So, pwedeng electricity, water, internet bills. Then, the Rampverse survey form and a copy of your mutual fund statement. Please take note na sa lahat ng signatures, dapat naka-handwritten yan and hindi digitized signature or e-signature. Okay, so i-fill out lang po natin itong mga forms. So, of course, yung account number, kailangan naka-indicate. Yung number of shares na gusto nyong i-redeem, pwedeng full or pwede ding partial. So, in my case, full po kasi na-realize ko na po yung gusto ko na amount kasi ito yung pang-Kaiser. So, ayan yung purpose, no? Pang-Kaiser po yan ng aking anak. So, ano ba yung Kaiser? It's a kind of investment also. So, diniversify ko lang. So, from mutual fund, punta na ako dun sa 3-in-1 na Kaiser Long-Term Care. So, if you want to know about this product, you can watch my video in this YouTube channel. It's all about finance. So, ayan po yung about Kaiser. So, napakaganda po kasi nitong product na to. So, doon ko na po i-transfer kasi qualified na po yung anak ko. 10 years old na po siya and ito po yung the best gift ko para sa kanya. Okay? So, once okay na, napermahan niyo na lahat and kompleto na yung forms, pwede na nating i-scan or you can also picture it. Okay? Take a photo of it and send na po natin dito sa email address na to. transactions@rampver.com. Please submit also a ticket para mas mapadali. Ito po yung link. Or you can go to your IMG portal and you log in. Tapos, dun tayo sa contacts. So, you can create a ticket and submit everything there para mas mapadali po siya. Kasi through IMG naman po talaga yung ating transactions. Okay? So, once okay na po lahat, na-send na po natin, mag-reply din po yan sa status, and ang kumpleto naman po lahat, wala na pong problema. So, ma-process na po yan in about 4 to 5 banking days. In this case, na-deposit po siya on October 14, 2024, the amount of 29,334.46. Mas tumaas pa din po siya in a matter of days. So, ayan, cash sa Kaiser plan. Pero gusto ko tong pangalawang plan para same sila sa isa kong anak, yung K50, 29,941 yung annual. Okay, so napakaganda po kasi hindi ko na po kailangang gumastos para dito. Dinediversify ko lang po yung investments. Okay, so napakaganda. Meron pa din po naman ako Soldivo Investments sa aming IMG portal. And meron din pong educational funds. Ito po yung MB Life. Okay, so marami po talagang financial products dito. Alright, so you can learn some of these products sa iba ko pong videos. So yun lang po, and I hope you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and sana po i-share nyo sa mga IMG members na ka-team nyo po para makatulong naman po tayo. Thank you and God bless!